My name's Gori, and I'm going to take you through some interesting tips and tools to help you get to grips with digital transformation. It's crazy to think that since the year 2000, over half of all Fortune 500 companies have ceased to exist. Do you remember Blockbusters, pioneers in the video rental industry? Or HMV, the so-called top dog for music? Arguably, some of the most iconic brands, failing to accept the changing tide of digital and expecting loyalty from their customers instead of earning it, and hence resulted in business failure. We're currently undergoing a once-in-a-lifetime technology shift that's going to transform every industry and business with it. It's incredibly important that even as leaders, we understand what it means to embrace a digital mindset. As organizations across industries face disruption and uncertain futures, one certainty has emerged: becoming digital is a necessity. If you're really keen to help embrace that digital mindset, check out our series of workshops we're running across the UK at the moment. We look forward to seeing you on the road.